Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Travels, the place where we break the boundaries of the ordinary. In today's video, we will discover the best tourist attractions to visit in England. Let's begin and explore the best tourist places to visit in England. Nestled within the heart of the United Kingdom, England boasts a rich tapestry of cultural heritage, breathtaking scenery, and a remarkable blend of old-world charm and contemporary allure. Each corner of this diverse land offers a unique experience. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a seeker of urban adventures, our journey will take us from iconic landmarks to hidden gems, revealing the very best that England has to offer. We will unveil the best of England's tourist destinations, inviting you to explore a land where history and modernity intertwine in perfect harmony. So pack your bags and prepare for an unforgettable journey through the storied landscapes of England. Number 10. The Tower of London. Begin your exploration with a step back in time at the historic Tower of London. This iconic fortress, founded nearly 1,000 years ago by William the Conqueror, houses the crown jewels and has witnessed centuries of royal intrigue, making it a living testament to England's medieval history. As you walk through its ancient walls and cobbled pathways, you'll sense the weight of history that hangs in the air. Learn about its dual role as a royal palace and a place of imprisonment, where tales of executions and escapes have left an indelible mark. The beefeaters who guard the tower can regale you with stories that span from the gruesome to the intriguing, adding depth to your understanding of this formidable stronghold. Number 9. The British Museum. Immerse yourself in the cultural treasures of the world at the British Museum in London. With its vast collection spanning continents and millennia, it's a journey through human history that spans from ancient civilizations to modern art. The Rosetta Stone, the Elgin marbles, and the Egyptian mummies are just a glimpse of the treasures that await your exploration. Wander through its halls and galleries, where each artifact tells a story of human achievement, creativity, and evolution. The museum is a place where you can connect with the past and gain insight into the diverse cultures that have shaped the world we know today. Number 8. Stonehenge. A mysterious marvel awaits in the form of Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument that continues to captivate minds and spark theories about its purpose and construction. As you stand before these ancient stones, you'll be transported back in time, contemplating the secrets of the past. Archaeological evidence and expert interpretations offer a glimpse into the lives of the Neolithic people who created this enigmatic site. Join the ranks of countless visitors who have pondered its alignment with celestial events, its role in ceremonies, and the remarkable engineering that brought these massive stones to their present location. Number 7. The Lake District. Nature lovers will find solace in the Lake District, a picturesque expanse of rolling hills, pristine lakes, and charming villages. Whether you're hiking the fells or cruising the waters, the tranquility of this national park is an oasis of serenity. Discover the inspiration that this region provided to poets like William Wordsworth and Beatrix Potter, and understand why it's considered a haven for artists seeking a connection with nature. The lakes themselves are a playground for water activities, from kayaking to paddleboarding, while the trails offer hikes suitable for every level of adventurer, rewarding you with breathtaking vistas at every turn. Number 6. The City of Bath. Step into the elegant world of Georgian architecture in the city of Bath, home to the Roman baths. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a glimpse into the lavish lifestyles of centuries gone by, all while providing modern-day relaxation at its thermal spas. Walk the cobbled streets, lined with buildings that transport you to a bygone era of elegance and sophistication. The Roman baths themselves offer an immersive experience, allowing you to trace the footsteps of ancient Romans who sought the healing waters and enjoyed communal baths. And as you soak in the mineral-rich thermal waters at the modern-day Therme Bath Spa, you'll be continuing a tradition that spans millennia. Number 5. Stratford-upon-Avon. Pay homage to England's literary giant, William Shakespeare, in the quaint town of Stratford-upon-Avon. Visit the bard's birthplace and explore the Royal Shakespeare Theatre for a dose of culture and history. Wander the charming streets that wind through this Tudor town, where half-timbered houses provide a picturesque backdrop to your exploration. Step into the world of the great playwright as you explore his childhood home, and gain insight into his life and works. The Royal Shakespeare Theatre offers a theatrical experience like no other, with world-class performances that bring Shakespeare's words to life in a setting that pays tribute to his enduring legacy. Number 4. The Cotswolds. Journey through the idyllic landscapes of the Cotswolds, where charming villages boast honey-colored cottages and charming gardens. This region encapsulates quintessential English countryside at its finest. As you stroll through villages like Bourton-on-the-Water, Bickery, and Castle Combe, you'll feel as though you've stepped into a storybook. The rolling hills provide ample opportunities for walks and hikes, leading you through fields and woodlands that change with the seasons. Explore the local shops and tea rooms, where you can savor traditional cream teas and artisan crafts, all while basking in the timeless beauty of a region that seems to exist in a world untouched by time. Number 3. The White Cliffs of Dover. Witness nature's splendor at the White Cliffs of Dover, a symbol of England's resilience and maritime history. The cliffs offer breathtaking views of the English Channel and are a reminder of the nation's enduring spirit. As you stand atop these iconic chalk cliffs, the panorama before you encompasses both natural beauty and historic significance. The cliffs have stood as a sentry, guarding England's shores for centuries, and their striking appearance has made them a symbol of homecoming for travelers and soldiers alike. Whether you're exploring the cliff paths, learning about their geological formation, or simply gazing out at the vast expanse of sea, you'll feel a sense of awe that comes from standing on the edge of a nation's identity. Number 2. The City of Oxford. Unveil the academic excellence of Oxford, home to one of the world's oldest and most prestigious universities. Wander through historic colleges, visit libraries steeped in knowledge, and immerse yourself in the city's intellectual aura. From the ornate spires of Christ Church College to the hidden courtyards of Magdalen College, every corner of Oxford exudes an atmosphere of learning and discovery. The Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe, offers a glimpse into the world of scholars and thinkers throughout the ages. Whether you're exploring the city's architecture, absorbing its scholarly ambience, or simply enjoying a stroll along the river, Oxford's intellectual legacy will leave an indelible impression on your journey. Number 1. The Eden Project. Conclude your journey at the innovative Eden Project, an environmental marvel nestled in Cornwall. Explore biodomes that house diverse ecosystems, showcasing the beauty and fragility of the natural world. As you step into the humid rainforest biome, you'll be surrounded by lush vegetation and exotic flora. Wander through the Mediterranean biome, where olive trees and vineyards transport you to sun-soaked landscapes. The Eden Project not only educates visitors about the importance of biodiversity and sustainability, but also invites you to immerse yourself in these enchanting environments. It's a testament to human creativity and determination to protect the planet, leaving you with a sense of wonder and a renewed commitment to our shared Earth. England's tourist attractions offer a kaleidoscope of experiences that cater to every traveler's passion and curiosity. From ancient landmarks to modern wonders, from bustling cities to serene countryside, this land holds an array of treasures waiting to be discovered. As you venture through historic sites, natural wonders, and cultural gems, you'll come to understand the timeless appeal that makes England a destination cherished by millions around the globe. So whether you're captivated by history, enthralled by art, or enchanted by the beauty of nature, England invites you to embark on a journey that will leave an indelible mark on your heart and mind. Thanks to those who watched until the end of the video. If you want more, you will find videos in the description that you may like. Thank you to those who subscribed to the channel. See you in the next video.